Today on Cooking Stuff, we're going to be making one of the only breakfasts that I can make. I'm not a chef, but I figured why not? A zucchini. It's green, it's probably healthy, kind of looks like a cucumber, but tastes different. We're going to cut that up. That looks pretty good. We have mushrooms. We're going to cut these up any way you want. I don't know what I'm doing, so you don't have to either. It's still going to taste all right. Next up is the avocado. Now I learned this little trick from RJ. Boom. You don't stab yourself. And that's pretty much all the prep that we have to do. We're gonna put a little olive oil in the pan. I don't know how much. Looks pretty good. We're gonna put the vinegar into the water. And then we just gotta wait until that's a little hotter, and then that boils. So we're gonna put them in. Don't have a spatula in that drawer. I'll have to find one. Oh, spatula's right there. And we're just gonna wait here. That is chefing. You don't learn that in acting school. Done. Woo! Whoa! Now there's gonna be a bunch of white shit. That's okay, but it's all good. Then you just sit here for like 3 minutes. And now our egg's been in here for about, I don't know, 3 minutes-ish. Oh, wow. That's what it looks like. It looks pretty weird. It looks like the little alien fetus or something. Then I put it onto the piece of paper. A poached egg. A Pureo toaster. See that? Learned that from Harry Potter. Me and him share the same birthday. Same with J.K. Rowling. So we're gonna put the toast in there. Wait. A Pureo plate. Another trick. Picked that one up from Hermione. Okay, still waiting. While I'm waiting for that toast, I'm gonna start making a little avocado mush by just messing it up in here. And it's nature's little packaging that it stays in. A paste. And now since our toast is ready, we're gonna put that on our plate, which you can't see. Now I've already taken the liberty of dressing our breakfast. A beautiful Instagram breakfast. Voila. Honestly, it's pretty good. See that egg? It's runny. Good. I'm actually pretty surprised with this egg. This is good. So, join me next time, if I do this again, on Cooking Stuff. I don't know what I'll make next time. Zucchini, great hit. Big fan of zucchini. Eggs taste good. Rabbit Farms.